EP1 Kevin pull all cold and gets groaned.
Tecker de funny.
Mrs. Jessica Kevin say Tecker funny.
I am pull and hot.
Oh my gosh, I'll let red everyone get out the here.
Breaking news, Kevin pull all the fire alarm.
You are going to prison.
You are ugly. No. Help me, 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 help me.
Oh Hodge, dare you pull all the fire alarm Taz, this you are ground 6767676767 week, go your room now.
Wah.
The end.